Jeep Ram.
At Chrysler brand, we love our pets. After all, they're part of the family. Since we invented the minivan more than 35 years ago, Chrysler has built minivans for families' needs and delights. The 2021 Chrysler Pacifica has even more features for families, especially families with pets. In celebration of National Pet Day, these are the top 5 pet-friendly features the Chrysler Pacifica offers. Number 5. Hands-free sliding doors and liftgate offer pets easy access. Number 4. Stow and Vac helps make pet messes disappear. Number 3. Stow and Go in-floor storage bins store pet supplies out of sight. Number 2. Stow and Go seating provides plenty of space for pets and pet kennels. And number 1. The new FamCAM interior camera gives those in the front a view of furry friends in the rear.
Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep Ram.